Coverage of CES is sponsored by us. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe for more coverage on CES 2026.
Hyte. Look at this design. Not only that, they take it to a whole new matter. Look at this 3D design too. Big large fans. The bottom goes there too. There's a bare bones if you guys can see that. Look at prototypes. These are the Z90s. Ugly.
Yeah, maybe at least more new products. Basically made our name based on
This would be right here. You saw this touchscreen by itself too.
the CES when the
the shield. So, I started to. We've also been working on a thing, like a digital cable that also would connect to like USB that you turn the computer off and reconnect to your power switch as well. It's just so overkill. The stories are. I'm not saying
it was like the most budget ones. It's like $150. I think our tools are like. I just want to
Check out the back. These are the legs. I like the design.
I like it too.